Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Student video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss we are facing this issue that when you try to update your payment method or you may try to add a new payment method in your iPhone or iPad, you may face a problem that this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. Try again using another payment method. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on general and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may make sure that you have enough funds in your credit card or debit card. Then after this, you may make sure that your credit card or debit card is compatible or supported to iTunes support or in this country or region. So simply, if your card is not supported, you may contact to your card issuer or you may contact to Apple support team to solve this problem. The next method is guys, you may click here on your Apple account and guys, you make sure that you have selected that country or region where your card is supported or where you live. So if you have selected wrong country, then guys, you may change your country and you may check your problem will be fixed. So let's check, as you may click here on media and purchases and click here on view account and you may change your country region from here. So let's check, as you may just wait for some second. So click here on country region and you may change your country from here to that country where you lives or where your card is put. So if you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in other country, you may select that one. So let's check, yes. So this interface will be open. Click here on change country region and you may select your country and then you may update your country from here and then you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by this method also, then guys, you may open any browser and in search bar you may write here support.apple.com and you may contact to Apple support team and tell them your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So let's say guys, you may click here on get start. So click here on get support from here and then guys, you may click here on more and you may select app store from here. Then you may click here on continue and you may click here on call, or you may also select chat, but chat option is not showing in all countries. So you may contact to Apple support team and tell them your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.